Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that we have this one. This one equal to sin of s. Now, if we want to do about the inverse function, we need to find the equation of s in terms of f of s. So this one we can use about inverse hyperbolic function. So that should be about arcsin of f of s equals to s. Now the inverse function of this one, that should be about arcsin of s. That means we need to change about f of s into s, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.